Look at how you can install the Optifine for TLauncher. You might require Optifine to install the setters. So let's go to browser and you're going to go to this website here, optifine.net/downloads, and you're going to find the version of Optifine that is compatible with Forge. If you check on the latest Minecraft version, the Optifine files for the latest one are not compatible with Forge. So we're going to check this version 1.2111. You can see this Optifine is compatible with Forge. So if you wish, you can download this. But if you want to check other versions, you can see you can download this one as well. Now I choose this version 1.2111. One thing to keep in mind is that you're going to make sure that this version is installed inside your TLauncher. Let's go find. I have this Forge 1.2111. So I have installed this Forge 1.2111. If you don't have it installed, you can just install from here. Minimize and you can download this Optifine. Skip the ad. Download. It's downloaded. Let's bring this file to desktop and it's here, Optifine 1.21.11. Once you've downloaded, open up TLauncher. Go to folders, you're going to find the mods folder. Open up this, bring the Optifine folder here, drop. Once it's done, close. Now launch TLauncher once again, refresh here. You're going to double check that you have selected Forge because Optifine is only compatible with Forge. Enter the game. Now to get the Optifine, go to options and go to video settings. You can see there's Optifine written at the bottom. That means the Optifine is correctly installed. Further, you have got the option of setters here. If you go to setters, so that means that the Optifine is correctly installed. So that's how you can install the Optifine in TLauncher Minecraft. Just give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write in the comments and subscribe to this channel.